We are, what are we doing?
Doing a cam swap.
Cam swap. And lifters come after. Pulling out the harmonic balancer. I mean, it looks like it came out of the Titanic.
You gonna take my phone? That's a matter of determining the trip pattern.
Should have brought my tripod.
The apple?
Yeah. So much cleaner. Still gross though. You're messing up my audio, man.
Here's side pipes. Split up 150 at side pipes.
Ugh! Dude, look at your elbow.
No. I'm not getting my dick stuck in the door. Wow. I don't know why. Seems like shit. Why do you do that? Now today's just been even shittier. I threw up. Where's my...
That is so clean. Can I have your attention, please?
14 pounds. I'm gonna guess that.
Your hand is disgusting. Oh yeah.
Hey, at least it's actually not bad. I'm happy with that.
And the insurance company told me.
Any Kenya dirt water in there, Ryan?
No, it's actually dark, so it's old, but it's good. Like
It's like
clean.
a good dark,
Yeah.
like Chris Brown.
Yeah. Oh my.
It's like it could be sketchy. Look at this third gen.
Oh, that's mint.
Dude, it's so crippled.
That's clapped.
It's like a tree fell on it.
Oh God.
The thing was rolled in the hole.
Hey, that looks familiar. Much better. That cart shouldn't break like John's did, huh?
Leave it there, just tell me.
Wonderful.
I can't even see what the fuck I'm doing. Wait.
I can. You're pretty good.
You got it.
You got it, man. Hey, at least we know a good mechanic if anything fucks up. There you go.
Pull that sucker out.
She a little bit stuck there, bud.
Oh, let's. Oh, look at all that oil. Ah, there.
There's a sketchy bitch right there. You want like a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get this man a flatty.
Oh fuck.
He's got raped. My bad, bro. I didn't know you were laying crooked.
Small pup. Fucking genius. Can't believe you that. Oh, I saw a chunk of log pump. This is a chunk of smooth pump. So I can have my viper.
Absolute a beaut. That's a Z4.
Z3, cuck. Z3.
That was a Z3.
It says Z3 on it.
What the fuck was that? Weird as hell. I just realized I've never heard a straight pipe.
Because they used gasket sealer on top of a cork gasket.
Did they really? Fucking special.
It's the bottom.
They didn't want this puppy coming off.
Belonged to where I came. Oh. Go in my top drawer over there. The yellow and black one.
here now? Is that what? It's got, okay, over here it's got some, 1 second. All right, there you go. Here.
Oh fuck! I gotta take the oil pan off. I forgot. I have to at least loosen these bolts right here. And I have to try to pry it down.
You should just love Chevy.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
So we have to get the oil pan loose right there?
Yeah.
More time.
So I just opened my box of goodies. Well, really just the cam, but oh, I got on this one. Oh, best part, got the stickers. But look at the lobes on this thing. This thing's gonna lobe like fish. Hold on. Look at that. Oh, that's a lot of lobe. Wow. Hell yeah. Alrighty, so quick update. I've done quite a bit of work since the last time I taken video, but this is the camera guy. Front cams. There's all your info. Judging by how rotty and disgusting these guys were, it's looking pretty damn good. Those are wrinkle black valve covers. I think they turned out actually like really good. Did three pretty thick coats. I didn't want it to wrinkle up too much, and it worked exactly like I had planned. This is your cast aluminum, you know, silver, just spray on, just to make it look at least factory again. And it looks half decent. Obviously not the best in the world, but hell of a lot better than what it was. I like it. Oh, the cam. It's in there. Roller lifters are in there. Push rods are all in. All caps are in. Torque down spec.
Torque down spec. Torque down spec.
I'm gonna. Even got it in time. There's the timing dots right there. We're making progress. Making progress. Yeah, that's it for now. Alrighty, so this is the car. I've been driving it all day today and quite a bit yesterday. It's all done. Runs and all. There she is. After I'd say over 3 weeks of work, this car is finally done. Cam swap is done, and she's running. Now I'm just gonna put more miles on her and go all out. She's gonna be a daily.